This is a review of the Republic of Tea Hot Apple Cider Tea. In the fall, my go-to flavors that I seek out are spiced apples. I love drinking a sugar-free and caffeine-free warm beverage in the evening, which brought me to finding this tea. You'll receive 36 tea bags. It's in this beautiful tin, which I think is fantastic for gifting. It'd also be great in a gift basket during this holiday season, as well as being a hostess gift. I think that would be fantastic. There comes with 36 tea bags. They are in this little round paper shape. The tea is a natural herbal tea that contains apple pieces, cinnamon, orange peel, rose hips, berry leaves, natural apple flavor, ginger root, cloves, lemon, and cardamom. To make a cup of tea, all you need to do is simply heat fresh filtered water to a rolling boil, or I use water hot right out of my coffee machine, and then pour 6 ounces of water over the tea bag and steep for about 5 to 7 minutes. This has that wonderful fall apple spice flavor that you desire during this time of year, kind of like apple pie without all of the calories. I'm now going to steep a pot and let you know what it tastes like. This is what it looks like once you've brewed a cup of this tea. It's delicious and I highly recommend it.